Hi students! It's another great day to learn mathematics. I am Siti Naima Andan, your teacher broadcaster for Mathematics 7. Today, I will teach you a new lesson in math. In this new normal, remember to stay at home, study, and together, let's be makinig and matalino. Do you still remember our topic last time? Correct! We discussed about different kinds of polygons. Now, let's try to answer this activity.
Match me. Identify what type of polygon is shown in column A. The first picture is a Rubik's Cube, and it is correct, a square. Next is the pyramid, and it is perfect, a triangle. Next, we have what type of polygon? Correct, it's a pentagon. Next, the fourth picture is a hexagon. And the last one is what type of polygon? Correct, it's a rectangle. So now, we are all set to start a new lesson. But before that, let's have an activity. This activity is called Connect Me. We will draw each figure by connecting each broken lines. Let's have the first one. So we connect the broken lines and we got a triangle. How about this one? Connect the broken lines and we have a hexagon. Topic for today. Correct. It's constructing polygons. Before we draw polygons, let's have first our objective for today. What can you learn at the end of this video? You will construct triangles, squares, rectangles, parallelograms, pentagons, and hexagons. What are the materials we need? We need pencil, paper, and a ruler. Moy can cross the river. The figures were sunk underwater. We need to help Moy fill it in. The first figure that we will draw to help Moy is a triangle, which is a three-sided polygon. How do we draw a triangle? Remember that a triangle has three vertices, so we will first draw the three vertices using 3 points. And then we will connect these points. So we now have a triangle with 3 vertices and 3 angles. Awesome! Moy can now step on the triangle. Next, we have the square. Remember that a square is a 4-sided polygon. Now, how do we draw a square? A square has 4 vertices and 4 equal sides. So we will start with having 4 points. And then after, we will connect these points to have a square with 4 angles and 4 sides. Very good. Moy can now step on the square. Next, we have the rectangle. A rectangle is a 4-sided polygon. How do we draw a rectangle? Remember that a rectangle has 4 vertices. So we will start with drawing the 4 points. And then we will connect these 4 points to have the rectangle. Rectangle has 4 angles and 4 sides. Awesome! Moy can now step on the rectangle. Next, we have the parallelogram. Parallelogram is also a four-sided polygon. How do we draw a parallelogram? Remember that the parallelogram is also a four-sided polygon, so it also has four vertices. So we will start with drawing the 4 points, but not vertically aligned. So we have the 4 points, and we will connect these points to have a parallelogram. Moy can now step on the parallelogram. Next is a pentagon. A pentagon is a five-sided polygon. So how do we draw a pentagon? We will start with the 5 vertices or 5 points. And we will connect these points or vertices to have a pentagon. Good job! Moy can now step on the pentagon. Next and lastly is the hexagon. A hexagon is a six-sided polygon. So that means that vertices, 6 angles, and 6 sides. So we will start with drawing the 6 points and connecting the 6 points to have the hexagon. Perfect! Moy can now step on the hexagon. Amazing! We helped Moy cross the river. Oh no! Moy forgot his key. We need to fill in the house with the figures in the river for him to enter it. Fill in the house with some of the polygons we collected from the river. I will only give you 1 minute to answer this. Timer starts now. Let's check your answer. And that's all for today. This has been your teacher broadcaster, Miss Siti Naima Andan, leaving you a quotation from Pythagoras, that there is geometry in the humming of the strings. There is music in the spacing of the spheres.
Huwag matakot, bigay makinig and matalino. Bye-bye!